Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have your Google form open. Now take the first actionable steps. Click Send, choose the link icon, then shorten the URL if you prefer a cleaner code. Make sure sharing is set so respondents can access the form without signing in. Otherwise, respondents may be blocked. Once done, copy the exact link to your clipboard. This link is the input for the QR generator, so verify it opens the form in an incognito tab to confirm accessibility before moving on. Next, paste the form link into a reliable QR generator and set options based on use. Select a medium error correction level to survive light damage and pick a resolution appropriate for print or screen. If you need a logo or color, apply it but test contrast to ensure scannability. Preview the code on a phone to confirm it opens the form directly. Once satisfied, download as PNG for quick use or SVG for scalable print, and organize the file where you can access it for distribution. Finally, place the QR where your audience will scan it: emails, slides, posters, or social posts. Test on several devices and apps to confirm quick loading. If printing, ensure a sufficient physical size and a clear, quiet zone around the code. If someone reports it does not work, first verify the original link and form access settings, then inspect contrast and damage. Regenerate the QR with a higher error correction level if necessary. Make sure to update distributed materials if you change the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.